evening and welcome to Media Edits News. Our top story tonight.
Of course, Islam in Australia has a long and diverse history, stretching from before European settlement to being one of the country's most prominent faith communities today. Here is a detailed overview covering its history, the major waves of migration, and a snapshot of the community today. 1. The earliest Muslims, 1700s 1800s. Islam's presence in Australia predates the arrival of the first fleet, Makassan traders, from at least the early 1700s. Muslim fishermen from Makassar, in modern-day Indonesia, regularly traveled to the coast of Arnhem Land, in the Northern Territory. They came to trade for trepang, sea cucumber, with the local Yolngu Aboriginal people. This contact was peaceful and left a lasting legacy, including Islamic words in Yolngu languages, shared artistic motifs, and some genealogical links. Afghan Cameliers, the first major inland Muslim community was established by the Afghan Cameliers, who began arriving in the 1860s. A crucial role, these men weren't just from Afghanistan. They also came from regions that are now Pakistan, India, and parts of the Middle East. Ships of the desert, they were vital to the exploration and development of inland Australia. They and their camels transported goods, mail, and materials for major projects like the Overland Telegraph Line, which connected Australia to the world, and various railway lines. First mosques. They established Australia's first mosques. The earliest was a simple structure in Mary, South Australia, 1861, and the first major permanent mosque was built in Adelaide in 1888, which is still in operation today. O'Day. 2. Major waves of 20th century migration. While the Immigration Restriction Act 1901, White Australia policy, largely halted non-European migration for decades, small groups of Muslims, like Albanians in the 1920s, continued to arrive. The main growth of the community came in several distinct waves after World War II. Turkish migration, 1960s-70s. The first major post-war wave of Muslim migrants came from Turkey. In 1967, Australia and Turkey signed an assisted migration agreement to recruit Turkish workers for Australia's booming manufacturing industry. This led to thousands of Turkish families settling, primarily in Melbourne and Sydney. The Lebanon Concession, 1970s-80s. This was the single largest wave of Muslim migration. During the Lebanese Civil War, 1975 to 1990, the Australian government created a special Lebanon Concession humanitarian program. This allowed tens of thousands of Lebanese, a significant portion of whom were Muslims, both Sunni and Shia, to flee the conflict and join relatives in Australia. This wave established the large and vibrant Lebanese-Australian communities, particularly in suburbs of southwest Sydney like Lakemba. Bosnian refugees, 1990s. Following the breakup of Yugoslavia and the devastating Bosnian War, Australia accepted a large number of Bosnian Muslim refugees, who established strong communities, particularly in Melbourne and Sydney. 3. Islam in Australia today. Today, the Muslim community is a young, diverse, and integral part of Australian society. Demographics, 2021 census. Population, 813,392 people identify as Muslim in Australia, making up 3.2% of the total population. Diversity, it is one of the most ethnically diverse religious groups. While many have Australian-born heritage, the top ancestries include Lebanese, Turkish, Pakistani, Afghan, and Bangladeshi. Branches, the majority of Australian Muslims are Sunni, but there are also significant Shia communities, especially of Lebanese, Iraqi, and Afghan heritage, as well as smaller groups like Sufis and Ahmadis. Community and culture. Major organizations, the community is represented by several national bodies, including the Australian Federation of Islamic Councils, AFIC, and the Australian National Imams Council, ANIC, which appoints the Grand Mufti of Australia. Prominent mosques, **** Lakemba Mosque, Sydney, Australia's largest mosque. It is the heart of the Lebanese Australian community and can host thousands for prayers. Auburn Gallipoli Mosque, Sydney, a prominent landmark. Built with community funding, largely from the Turkish Australian community, and known for its classic Ottoman style architecture. Central Adelaide Mosque, the oldest surviving major mosque in Australia. A direct link to the first Afghan cameliers. Rupees. Notable Australian Muslims. Australian Muslims are prominent in every field, including politics, media, arts, and sports. Politics. Ed Husic, the first Muslim to serve in a federal cabinet. Dr. Anne Aly, the first Muslim woman to serve as a federal minister. And Fatima Payman, the first hijab-wearing senator. Media and arts. Waleed Aly, broadcaster, academic, and media personality. And Randa Abdel Fattah, an award-winning author known for novels like Does My Head Look Big in This? Sport. Usman Khwaja, cricket. Bachar Houli, a pioneer for devout Muslims in Australian rules football AFL, and Anthony Mundine, former boxing champion.